Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Lloyds Bank customer service. Firstly open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. Type down Lloyds Bank and enter it. And from the search you need to select this Lloyds Bank here. And once you get inside this home page, scroll all the way to the bottom here until you find this help and support here. Select that. And from here, if you need help with your product or everyday banking, you can also select this payment and transfers if you need help with this. As I'm going to select this payment and transfer. And from here, select the issue that you have. And over here, you get this instruction. You need to simply follow the on-screen instruction. And if you still need more help, scroll all the way to the bottom again and find this callers icon here. And from this callers icon here, what you can do is you can scroll a bit down for the common issue card problems. You can open this icon, and from here you get this phone number. And over here, before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account or card information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.